In this video, we'll discuss the angles on a Cartesian plane. So here we have a y-axis and an x-axis. And in trigonometry, we measure the size of an angle starting on the horizontal axis. We also measure the angle size in an anti-clockwise direction. If the angle is between 0 and 90 degrees, it will be in the first quadrant. Then between 90 and 180 degrees, the angle would be in the second quadrant. Then from 180 to 270 degrees, the angle would fall in the third quadrant. And then lastly, from 270 degrees back to 0, or a full 360 degrees, then the angle would be in the fourth quadrant. And by now, you know that we have three trig ratios. Now, every ratio has different properties in every quadrant. In the first quadrant, all three of these three ratios would give us a positive value. In the second quadrant, only sine would give us a positive value. Cosine and the tangent of theta would give us negative values in quadrant 2. In quadrant 3, only the tangent of theta will give us a positive result, and that means that sine and cosine theta would both give us negative values. And lastly, in the fourth quadrant, only cosine of theta would give us a positive value. That means that sine of theta and tan of theta would be negative between 270 and 360 degrees.